Oh, I got my birthday present early this year. I found this in my garage yesterday. I had done some work on my son's Honda CRV that it needed a lift for, so he couldn't do it Saturday, so I finished the job up for him. And I think this was his way of paying back Dad. I had mentioned that I'd wanted a dedicated shop vac for my blast cabinet. And if you follow the channel, I did a review on the Bauer Cyclone dust collector recently. So I'm going to use this little vacuum in conjunction with that Cyclone to collect the media out of my blast cabinet. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing here and show you what we got. These right now at Harbor Freight, there's a coupon and it runs to April 7th, 2022 for $49. And for a 6-gallon shop vac, I don't think that's a bad price. Open it up quick. Instructions. Set those aside. And here's the shop vac. Looks like it's mostly assembled. Hose. Hose is 7 foot long, so that gives you a good reach. It's pretty big diameters. It actually looks like it's comparable to my shop vac brand shop vac, which is a lot more money. I didn't want to use that shop vac for doing this because that's my good vacuum. It's American made. They don't make them anymore. If anybody's heard shop vac went out of business or bankrupt, hopefully they'll get going again. But for doing this blast cabinet, this will be just a ticket. Unfortunately, with these Harbor Freight tools, they only come with 90-day warranties because they're trying to get you to buy the extended warranties. I'm not crazy about that. I subscribe to what Popular Mechanics, and not Popular Mechanics, Consumer Reports always said about the extended warranties. If you need an extended warranty, it's not a good product. So, let's see. I don't see any casters, so I'm going to assume they're in the shop vac. And they are. So, there's the collector, casters. Looks like it's got some sheet metal screws down there. Okay, so let's do a quick installation here. These have an insert that fits in there, and they're dovetailed. Seem to snap in relatively easy. Famous last words. This one does not want to go on. So what we do is we try it on a different hole. Yeah, there it goes. Actually, this seems to be better made than their dust collector. I gotta admit, Harbor Freight's quality has come a long ways. Their prices are gone up, though, I've noticed. But compared to what their stuff used to be, and a lot of it was absolute garbage, it's certainly an improvement. So walk over here and get a screwdriver. Unfortunately, with a handheld camera, it's a little tougher. I don't want to make a long video on this. Unfortunately, I think people sometimes with longer videos, they lose interest. So I'll try to get this together quick. I know when these first came out, you couldn't get filters for them. I think Harbor Freight kind of jumped the gun. They had the vacuums out before the accessories, but I know I was down in the store there not too long ago, and they did have filters for their shop vacs. You could always match one up too, I'm sure, if you make the measurements. Actually, I had to get a shop vac filter off Amazon because none of the stores are carrying them anymore for my shop vac branch vacuum cleaner. Okay, flip it over. Oh, looks like it clicks in neat. There. You're supposed to have a 10-foot cord on them, which actually is kind of a good idea. And it's double insulated, so it doesn't have a grounding plug. Okay. Here. Looks like it's got a snap connector. I don't know how that will work out. My shop vac actually screws together. Well, it turns on. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's see what we got. We can sprinkle on the floor here. I cleaned the shop up the other day. The floor's kind of clean in it. Let's go over to the workbench. We got some hardware here. We can always pick it back out of the bottom here. This is kind of stuff that you would be laying around your shop anyways. Nails and stuff like that. So, let's give it a whirl. Doesn't seem to be too bad. I'm not gonna lie, my shop vac is stronger than that, but it's also a lot more expensive vacuum and more horsepower. There's probably better stuff out there than this, but for the price point, it doesn't seem to be a bad vac. It's got the attachment out here for blowing. It comes with the collector and 2 extensions, which look like they snap on here. Yeah, like that. So there you go. Quick review of the Bauer 6-gallon 4-horse shop vac. Like I said, right now they're at Harbor Freight with coupon for $49.99. Thanks for watching the channel. Hit the like and subscribe button. Have a great day and God bless.